Welcome to PnTutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to download and install PostgreSQL database server on Windows 10 operating system. Let's get started. On Windows 10 operating system, open the web browser and in search engine enter download PostgreSQL. Scroll down and in search results open the EDB website link. The EDB provides PostgreSQL database packages and installers. For Windows, from the list of available installers, click to download the latest installer package. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't, you can click this link to start it manually. For the time being, I already have downloaded the latest installer package of the PostgreSQL database, so I will cancel this download and go to my downloads folder. Double click to start the installation. Press yes to allow the installation. On this PostgreSQL installation setup window, click next. Here you can change the installation location. Let's keep the default path. Press next. On the select components window, you can check or uncheck specific components to include or exclude it in the installation. You can select a component and you will find more information about that component here. Like PostgreSQL server, it's a PostgreSQL database server. pgadmin4 is a graphical interface for managing and working with PostgreSQL database and servers. The stack builder may be used to download and install additional tools, drivers, and applications to complement your PostgreSQL installation. And command line client tool, this option install command line tools and client libraries like these. From all these components, the PostgreSQL server is a very important because it actually installs the PostgreSQL server on your computer, while other components are optional. For this installation, let's keep all the components checked and click next. Here you can select the directory path to store your database files. Again, we will keep the default path here. Click next. This is a very important step for your PostgreSQL database installation. Here you need to set up a root user password that you will require to log in to your PostgreSQL database server. So make sure to enter a password that you will remember. I will set up a password for my installation. Retype the password. Click next. This is the default port number for the PostgreSQL database server. Keep the default value and click next. You can select the geographical location of the database server manually or use default to let the installation detect from your operating system. Click next. Here you can check and confirm the installation settings from the pre-installation summary window. Click next. Now the setup is ready to install PostgreSQL database server on your computer. Click next to start the installation. It would take a couple of minutes to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see this installation complete window. Uncheck this launch stack builder option and click the finish button to complete the installation. To confirm the PostgreSQL database server installation was successful, go to Start, All Apps, PostgreSQL 17 and click to open SQL Shell. On SQL Shell, press enter to accept the default localhost database server. Then enter the database name. Keep the default Postgres database. Press enter. For port number, again keep the default port number. Press enter. The default username is Postgres. Press enter. Now enter the password you set during the installation. I will enter my password here and press enter. If you see this Postgres command, then congratulations, you have successfully installed the PostgreSQL database server on your computer. Enter, select version, opening and closing parenthesis, semicolon, press enter, and it will confirm the installed version of PostgreSQL database server on your computer. You can also enter \, and press enter to display the PostgreSQL commands. Type \q to quit or exit from the PostgreSQL database server. Again, press a key to continue. Here in this video tutorial, we learned how to download and install PostgreSQL database server on Windows 10 operating system. If you encounter any issue or don't understand something, feel free to ask me questions in the comment section of this video. If the video tutorial was helpful to you, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video tutorial.